So along with our fit and flare yesterday, I've put up some fabrics that are all perfect for fit and flare. I've had a lot of questions on it. These all have texture. This is a red, it's a kind of a blue red. It's a Pontoroma, it has stretch in one direction, but borders on a Pontoroma Scuba, so it's going to have great properties that are going to stand out and give you a really pretty fit and flare. And again, for the holidays, I thought it'd be so pretty. It's 99% cotton. It was actually marked. 99% cotton, 1% poly. This, I love this. This has ribbing. You know, also for that 122, that bias rib top, these would be great. All of these would be, because they all have some type of rib to them. Anyway, this is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Just a really pretty little top or dress. This is a pink. Pink, we know, is still everywhere for the season, and I don't think you can see it, but it's a very mini micro rib. It's very small. It has stretch in one direction, but that micro mini rib is really cool. And this is 100% cotton. Now these are all $16.99 today and tomorrow. And this is a cotton poly. It also, I know you can see the ribbing here because it's a little bit larger, but we've got stretch in both directions. And that would, again, would be just so pretty to do it. This is 100% cotton, our light grays, charcoal. This is charcoal, this is light gray. This also is a rib, stretch in both directions, and 100% cotton. It's just a great piece of fabric. This last one is an ombre, and so it's green, and what we see is the colors change all the way through, so I thought that would just be really pretty. It is a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction, but it's just pretty. Just really pretty. Even if you just did a tunic top with jeans, it'd just be really pretty. All right, so there you have it. Today and tomorrow, $16.99. The goal, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.